Dude, this corner right here is crazy. Dude, that car pulls so hard. Oh. Right?
She's bitchy. She really is though. Attitude's a little bit shit. Wanna take it to the city. She talk shit on there just for being pretty. Why you like that? Huh? From the look that I got, I could tell she didn't like that. That she wasn't gonna fight that. Wild as hell, thank God I didn't like that. She got a fat ass though. Pretty in the face, but man, she's psycho. I still lay pipe though. For a second, I was thinking she's gonna be mine. But I can't do it, baby. You had your chance and blew it, baby. This ain't just the music, baby. I'm really saying screw it, baby. 'Cause bitch, you crazy. Swear that you crazy. What you crazy? The shit you do amaze me. Jealous shit don't faze me. Yeah. That's why. That's why I can't fuck with my ex. Hey, Trace.
Wait, we opened the freezer.
What?
Dude, someone wanted frozen Eggos, dude.
What is there?
Let's take that out.
Maybe we just leave it.
Or do we leave it?
Maybe we just leave it.
Do we leave it? Bro, is our teapot pro charged? Why is it doing that?
Do it again. Let's do it.
Oh my God. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is day 2 of the Dragon. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a good one. Damn. Dude, this corner right here is crazy. Like my hands are full log right now. Damn, that was bumpy. have to press the gas, the RS3 is just gone, dude. Holy crap, dude, we were pulling so many G's. Shift, dude. Sweet. Oh, it sounds so good.
Like 240 degrees.
Damn, Bobby. We got a good run in, like nobody holding us back. all the way till the very end. It's fun when you have drivers at similar speeds, because then you're just going at it the whole time. Oh my God, that was a 2-stroke. Whew, that was fun.
Old Cody to get done. Wes went to get food from the grocery store. I think we went to Food Line or something like that. So we are set, and I'm gonna pick you guys back up on GoPro or on here if it's wet.
Hey guys, Miller here with MC Production Garage.
You kill switched me on a car. This guy.
Guys, I hope y'all can see, because right now I'm in Cody's car, and I sit a little bit lower in my car versus his. I'm gonna put some crap in there that's gonna be moving around like his wallet. Dude, I love the rev match in the Z's, man. It's so easy to downshift. It'd be more helpful on the track, but a lot of times on the Dragon, I don't upshift, because then I'd have to, you know, downshift, and I'm not very good at heel towing. But this is nice because you can just brake and then you don't have to heel toe. Just rev matches for you. Bro, that was a huge flame. Dude, that was like a flame. I don't shoot big flames. That was a flame like this long, dude. This car makes everything feel like slower. Like we were going 70, felt like we were going 50, maybe because it's just taller. To see how this car does.
What the fuck? Okay, yeah.
dip is something else, dude. It's so much fun. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I almost just went off the mountain. I thought, we'll have to watch the video. Might be time for Ryan to go ahead and slow her down a little bit. I'm really not going hard, but I thought I remembered a straightaway where you could just, like, it was kind of like a blind corner, but it was a straightaway right after it, and you could carry your speed through it. It's completely flat. Well, I turned that corner, and there was a hard right and a dip. If there was a car coming, I would have been dead.
Thanks, my best friend would have died.
Well, if I died, then you can have my car since I wrecked yours.
I don't really care about the car.
Dude, this car is like really good. Like, it's better than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not gonna lie.
But that was the fun one.
The thing was about that corner was if it was flat, I probably would have been okay. But because of that dip, I de-weighted the car on that left side where it's taking all the turning. And dude, that was scary. Well, at least now I got a clickbait. Now I got a thumbnail.
Weird that your car's not making that little thumpity dumpity noise no more.
It usually only happens when it gets hot. Third gear is like the perfect gear for this road. With this car, I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting it to roll a lot more than it does. It feels like, especially when you do like this, it feels like it's gonna roll a lot, but the farther you like compress this, is like, it's only the top part that rolls. After that, it sticks. Like, it's a really good setup.
Because you make tiny adjustments during like turns and stuff like that I never even looked at before.
Hey, the Lincoln taking the race line though. We're at a helicopter pad right now. We were taking some pictures. We're coming back in the morning to get drone stuff. Let me turn. Shut up, Cody. Shut up. Shut up. Well, that was one of the sketchiest moments I've ever had in the car. But it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe this video will do good. Because the title is gonna be crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna end it off, guys. We're going back to the house. It's getting dark. Gonna eat some steaks. It was a fun day, crazy day. If you're not subscribed, come on, guys. Like, I almost died for this. Yeah, guys, like, comment, let me know what you thought. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!